Welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. The answer is not 24. 8 divide 4, round bracket open, 6 multiply 2, round bracket close. So first of all, we simplify how we will get the answer 24. So now, first 8 divide 4 is 2 and 6 multiply 2. So now 6 multiply 2 is 12 and 2 multiply 12 is 24. So this is the wrong method. How we will get the right answer? First of all, we simplify the bracket. 8 divide 4 is same. 6 multiply 2 is 12. Now 4 multiply 12 is 8 divide 4 multiply 12 is 48. Now 8 divide 48 we will get 8 divide 48 we will get the 0.167. So this is the it means 1 upon 6. This is the right answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.